Steak, chicken, eggs, bacon, keep on piling it on, right? Well, not quite. You see, on a ketogenic diet, you actually have to be controlling how much protein you take in, because believe it or not, protein can end up having a negative side effect, and that's that it can turn into sugar if you have too much of it, which could totally ruin your ketogenic lifestyle. You see, most people on average usually need about 0.6 grams of protein per pound of body weight. But when you're on a ketogenic diet, you don't need nearly as much. In fact, you generally want to be with a 4-to-1 ratio of fats to protein to ultimately be in the prime ketogenic state. That's a lot less protein than most people generally are used to consuming. But here's the thing. Some people respond better with a little bit more protein. Some people respond better with a little bit less. And you'll never truly know your own bio-individuality until you start testing your blood ketone levels. And that's exactly why you want to check out Keto-Mojo's blood glucose and ketone monitoring device. So you can pick up your Keto-Mojo device right now and get started simply by clicking the Buy Now button below, and you can be well on your way to enjoying the ketogenic lifestyle driven by data and science. I'll see you soon.